तेरा
सर कमिंग सेंटर
ये मागे 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 मागे
रवि सर
यांचे सगळ्यांचे आहे ते भरपूर आहे ना सगळे क्रिकेटर क्रिकेट नाही तो पण का क्रिकेट नाही कोण मॅडम एक मिनिट
I'm very excited to see the film. I have read the book when I was in college in New York. That was one of the first books that I read as I joined college, and it was a very impressionable time in my life. And I have some things have retained in my heart from this autobiography, and it's one of the important books that one has come across. And I'm going to reread the book now that Sushmita Mukherjee has gifted the book to me again. And I look forward to rereading it, because now after that many years, how is it going to impact me now? What am I going to make of it now? And his life is, of course, something that needs to be seen by everyone.
Okay, sir, how was the film?
Fabulous. You know, it's a real, it's, I would say, a rude awakening in many ways, because, you know, we always like to ape people from the West, you know, and it's a very humbling feeling when you have a master from our part of the world, you know, and an Eastern master when it comes to his philosophy, who became a giant going across to the West and conquering the Western world as early as the turn of the 19th century, the 18th century. It's a very humbling experience. It shows that there is a path to self-realization, and some of the techniques, which you see in the movie and which are spoken about, is quite unbelievable. You know, people say, you know, that you live in the modern day and age you experience a life of materialistic stuff, artificial stuff. You know, you really don't hit reality the way it should. But I'm sure when you watch this film, you know, nothing is impossible. If you can practice those techniques, you will realize the path to self-realization. You know, there's also a saying always said, live in the now. What is the now? It is reality. When you keep getting a reality check, you will know how to live in the now and not think too far ahead, not think too far behind. But fantastic movie. No, I thought the best part, which I said later on, was how a man, a human being, you know, just with a relationship, you know, like a guru shishya relationship bolte hain, you know, through a relationship with his guru, Yukteswar ji, could travel that far, you know, single-handedly into the United States with nothing in hand, no baggage whatsoever, and then conquer the West just on sheer self-belief and the power.
I've seen parts of it, and I was in and out attending to other matters as well. शुरू का देखा, अंत का देखा, और अभी तो बहुत बार देखना है, क्योंकि ये मेरे भी गुरु महाराज हैं. तो अभी तो बस देखना ही देखना है इस मूवी को. We are so happy finally this movie has released. We are also learning so much about our Guru, and it's always uplifting and inspiring to see him and to see all the work he has done.
Well, obviously, it's arts and opening one of Yogi Bhajan. So, do you think they played maybe one also so impact on a personal life?
This movie, Awake, The Life of Yogananda, is a very deep and very spiritual movie. It will appeal to the masses as well because of the International Day of Yoga. And Paramahansa Yogananda was one of the greatest yogis who took this message of yoga to the West. He's called the father of yoga in the West. So I'm sure on this day of yoga, everybody will appreciate this movie. And those who are questioning or searching will certainly find answers here, as I have and all of us have. हाँ जी, मैं कितनी बड़ी फैन, मैं जबरा फैन हूँ गुरु जी की. एक्चुअली मैं बहुत लंबा सफ़र तय कर चुकी हूँ कनाडा से इंडिया, ढूंढते ढूंढते कि सच क्या है, सच क्या है. मैंने कनाडा में फ़िलॉसफी पढ़ा था, फिर भी सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं मिला. इंडिया में आके भी फ़िलॉसफी पढ़ा, अष्टांग योग मिला, यम नियम आसन प्राणायाम, फिर भी समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि मुझे करना क्या है. जब गुरु जी की पुस्तक मैंने पढ़ी, ऑटोबायोग्राफी ऑफ ए योगी, तो मैंने कहा अब समझ आया. एटलीस्ट गुरु चरण मिल गए, उसके बाद सब अपने आप हो जाएगा.
बात योगा की करें तो आप कितना विश्वास रखती हैं
योगा सिर्फ आसन ही नहीं है. अष्टांग योग बोलते हैं 8 फोल्ड पाथ, यम नियम आसन प्राणायाम प्रत्याहार धारणा ध्यान समाधि. तो हमें सिर्फ आसन पे नहीं रुकना है, हमें ध्यान भी करना है और समाधि तक पहुंचना है, मतलब सुपर कॉन्शियस ब्लिस. सो मेडिटेशन इज़ द रियल पर्पस ऑफ योगा. और जितना हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो आनंद ही आनंद है, उसमें कोई लिमिट नहीं है.
No, I just watched the film. Where am I supposed to look? Anyway. So, yeah, I think it was a very moving experience, and for somebody like me who's always been surrounded by a lot of devotees, I'm not myself a devotee and a follower as yet, but there was something that moved inside me when I saw the film, because it makes me wonder. There has to be something really solid that years after he was born and years after his existence, people are still talking about it. Not just in a small village, a group of 100 people. It's countless people now spread across the globe, and it's so overwhelming to see what that man could do just based on his willpower, his faith, his belief, his constant inquisitiveness about seeking peace. And I've known of how many ever people who are the devotees, like really close friends of mine. They start their day or pick up the phone and say Jai Guru. And there have been times when I wondered why. You can say hello, yeah, but now I do understand that there's no blank reason why they just blindly follow the man himself, but there is a solid learning that has gone into them becoming devotees, and I hope to read more about it. It's been a very splendid, incredible day for me. In fact, my husband was reading a book on him some 4 days back, and then a friend of mine who's a devotee invited us to the screening, and he was telling me about, I'm starting to read this book. मैंने 1 साल पहले खरीदी थी. And it's how, like so many powers come together to get you to do something. The next morning he opened that envelope, which was the invite, and it had the same book. So it was very shocking, and maybe it's just a sign, it's a message that now maybe even I should start reading about it, and the next time I talk to you, maybe even I'm following the path. It's not a story that इसमें best part लगेगा. It was a whole experience, it was like a journey, I think, for not just me but everybody who's seen the movie. And I plan to become a yogi. I don't know. It's not like you get to hear about something and next morning you start doing yoga and meditating. My husband does a lot of meditation. I think it's these kind of messages, they just happen to you. And so maybe the wave takes me with it someday soon.
बाइट हो रही है, बाइट हो रही है.
ये फिल्म नहीं है मेरे लिए, ये जीवन की एक जर्नी है, क्योंकि मैं योगेंद्र सत्संग से पिछले 9 साल से जुड़ी हुई हूँ. मैं साधक हूँ और गुरुजी की टीचिंग्स में हम लोग पढ़ते हैं, हम वीकली सत्संग में जाते हैं. तो ये मेरे लिए फिल्म नहीं है, ये मेरे लिए कुछ और ही है.
So why do people believe in? Because we recently they saw that Ashram Bapu has come up with such
Yes.
bad things. So
Yes.
do you think it will create a magic or a obsession in the people's life?
See, because everybody says their guru is the best, but I know my guru is an avatar. Avatar is what? A descending from God himself. Avatara. अब ऊपर से जो नीचे आता है भगवान के रूप में, वो अवतार है. So Yoganand ji is an avatar and he has done all his work, and as a man उन्होंने बहुत स्ट्रगल भी किया, जैसे पिक्चर में दिखाया है. और जहाँ तक ये सब आश्रम बापू जब वगैरह की बातें हैं, ऐसे बहुत लोग मिलेंगे, अच्छे भी और बुरे भी. आपका नसीब है, आपके कर्म है कि आपको कौन से गुरु या कौन से ऋषि या कौन से टीचर या कौन से माँ बाप, कौन सा हस्बैंड, कौन से बच्चे आपको मिलेंगे. आपके कर्म और आपकी जर्नी के हिसाब से मिलते हैं.
So do you think this film can enlighten people?
I don't think I know. I know the time is right for this film to happen, and that's why the film has happened. This world needs this film. This world needs for us to be awake. And it is Gurudev himself who is making it possible. जब अब की देखिए आप, बहुत मुश्किल टाइम आने वाला है 2017-18 में. थर्ड वर्ल्ड की पॉसिबिलिटी है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें. इस टाइम पे ये एक बहुत बड़ी बीकन ऑफ लाइट लेके आएगी ये फिल्म. क्योंकि मेरे जो मित्रगण आए, वो देखने आए, वो मुझे बोल रहे कि तुम्हारे सत्संग में मुझे जाना है. ये छोटी सी बीज है जो एक बहुत बहुत बड़ा इसका ये होने वाला है.
स्क्रीन पे आप कब नजर आएंगे?
स्क्रीन में तो मैं रोज़ नजर आती हूँ, टेलीविजन में आती हूँ, पिक्चरों में आती हूँ, मैं तो हर दूसरे दिन आती हूँ.